Well, I quieted that, but I used up the container of bleach. Do you need more? Okay, I get the answer. Nope. Yeah. I hope I put enough in. It wasn't all that much. I can't tell if it all came out because I was over there, but the noise stopped.